Hello friends, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. That was a run-on sentence. If you guys remember, I just did a video where I finally got Weplay on my phone for the first time. I couldn't download Weplay or Weverse for months because my phone wasn't updated. That was a whole problem with my phone. I did get it fixed. I had to contact Apple. I was on the phone with them because I couldn't go to a physical store because I was stuck on my university campus, which I'm actually not on right now, so my background is different, but I think you can see Tiny Tay right back there. I just finally put in the membership card I got from a tier album I bought more recently, actually over the summer, but I did that whole Weplay video. You guys can check that out if you guys are having any trouble with Weplay. I went through the whole process myself from start to finish of like getting my account set up and everything, and if you guys have any questions about that as well, you can ask me on the comments on that video. But today we're going to be trying Weverse, which this might be a trip. I actually don't think it's going to be that long. As you guys can see, we have my phone screen right here, same lock screen, home screen as my other video. But I'm going to open up Weverse right now. Weverse, official for all fans. And it has the same sort of like getting started thing. Nope. The languages are in a different order. I almost clicked on Korean because English was first on the Weplay app. That could have been bad. Enable push notifications. Allow. Hello, welcome. Log in or sign up. Continue with email. And I know my password now, so that's great. Got my email. So I'm going to put in my password. Log in. If you're under 16 years of age, whatever, I'm 21. I agree to all. Yes. Okay. I don't know what that pop-up said. I really didn't even look at it. This might be a very quick video. My Weverse. Okay, so let's go do BTS for now. Join now. Nickname. Let's put in maevely. Yes. Yes. Okay. So don't caps me. We out here. Okay, I think I'm in. That was very easy. Artist. I'm not gonna go to the artist part. Oh, this is actually really cool. Okay, so then it has like all the stuff they've been posting, all that, and I think you can sort it by member as well. Oh, and they have stories, and you can download it, looks like too. Weverse would like to access your photos. Okay. And it downloads the pictures too. I like that. And then you can translate, which post translation. There's nothing to translate because it's an emoji, so let me see if I can open up a new one. Let me click the translate button and see if it works. And it does work, so that's actually pretty cool. And it has like the moments so you can kind of go back and see everything, kind of like Instagram, but on Instagram it's like limited to just you, but because this is like a whole thing, you can go back and see everything. And then there is media, so there's like the Bon Voyage stuff, there's the Bring the Soul stuff, Love Yourself, all that type of things. And it looks like you can purchase. I want to see if the purchase price is anything different. So it's $17.99, which actually is, I think, a little bit better than all this stuff on V app was. One thing I am curious about is the concert. So that would be Love Yourself, because I remember the Europe live stream, this one right here, was on $30, around that, to watch it on the V app. But on here it's only $17.99, so I do think that is a little bit better, and I do like that. So there's also membership, which I can be an ARMY member now. I might do that. I'm not entirely sure, and what I like about the Weverse thing, I do have to give them props for this, is that I know you can register to be a member all year round. So how most Korean fan clubs work is there's a set membership registration period. It's like maybe like a month or two long, and if you don't register for the upcoming membership year within that period, sucks. That's your only time to do it. So I'm looking at like the benefits here. There you get the membership card and the membership kit, which is classic to regular Korean fan club memberships, early access tickets, and lottery opportunities for domestic BTS performances. I'm not domestically in Korea, so that is one thing that isn't really relevant to me. That's the thing with a lot of these membership kits. There's been times where I've wanted to register for groups I like to be like in their official fan club, but there's not a ton of benefits for non-domestic fans. On this, there also is opportunity to attend domestic music program broadcasts, so that's going to be like the music shows in Korea. By domestic, I don't know if they mean like they give you the opportunity to record stuff in the US, like to go to the recordings for that, but there isn't too many things like that at all here. So opportunity to buy exclusive ARMY membership merchandise, that would be relevant to everyone. And then there's exclusive access to BTS Weverse membership only content, so kind of like V app rolled into one here. And then there is like see all the benefits and all that, but you have to join through Weplay, it looks like, so you need both apps. Oh, there's a whole category for GCF. That's so cute. That is so cute. How wholesome. Oh my god, Jin has one too. Oh, this is so wholesome. Oh, I love it. And you can see I almost said MV. Wow, you can watch the music videos on here too, so this is kind of cool. I don't know, I might do the membership thing, but I do think it's really similar to like Korean fan club memberships where there's not really any real benefits for American fans. And I just realized I locked my phone before. Oh no, we have the recording. Okay, that could have been really bad. But yeah, that's pretty much it for Weverse. There's probably some more like customization options that I can go through, but I'll do that on my own time because I am really picky about customization type of things. But yeah, that's basically it. Weverse is pretty self-explanatory, especially if you do WePly first and already have an account. If you're doing it opposite, I think it would still be pretty easy to sign up for Weverse because all I had to do was put in my email, but I already did have an account, so there's that. But I think if you guys did like Armypedia or like have like a Big Hit shop account, it's really easy to just transfer that over. And I kind of explained like the password reset thing in my video for the WePly tutorial. If you need to make an account, I think it would be smart to watch that video first because that has much more of the account stuff because that's what I did first. But yeah, pretty simple. How much is the membership? I'm like curious. I'm gonna have to pop it open on WePly. $30, that's not bad. That's actually not bad at all. It's kind of cute actually. Maybe I will sign up. I do want to check the fees though. Where is United States? $18.86 for shipping. Wow, that just really changed my mind. Okay, so like price wise it's like the same as membership kits that are just based for Korean groups in Korea, but like I hate shipping. I hate it so much. Will I still possibly treat myself and get that for myself as a Christmas gift to myself? Possibly. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm gonna go because my camera battery is dying. If you have any questions about the whole process, let me know in the comments down below and I will answer to the best of my ability. If you like this video, make sure to give me a like down below as well as subscribe for more and click the little notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you once again for watching. I hope everyone had or is having a super lovely day wherever you are in the world, as well as a happy holiday season, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!